Welcome to a set of videos about Google Slides and how to work with this tool. An upper panel has all main features you need while working with the presentation. To add a new slide, click here and pick the layout first. That could be title slide, section header, and others. For my presentation, I need one column text slide and caption slide. Now let's add some text. Here I click to add title. And here I add subtitle. Here I click to add another title and some text. The last slide for me to add a thank you message. Now, when we have several slides, let's explore other options. Firstly, you could undo or redo the action. Also, you could print the document and zoom it out or in. If you need to add a text box, click here and add your text box. Also, you could insert image or shape. We will get back to the image a bit later. Now let's test the shape. You have different shapes here. I would like to pick this one and put it on my slide. Once the shape is activated, you could change its background color and borderline color. Make it a bit thicker and change its structure. Another thing to add is a line. That could be line, arrow, elbow connector. I want to test an arrow. Add it here. Again, once the feature is activated, could change its color, make it thicker, and change the dash line. For lines, it's possible to change the start and the end. If you don't need these objects and you want to delete them, you could do it at once. Pick all the objects and use the right click to delete. Now, let's check what we can do with the text. Activate the text box. Once you do it, you will see additional features that appear here in the main panel. Of course, you could change the background color, the borderline color, make it thicker, and change the structure. If you don't like it, you can make it transparent. Here for the borderline, and here for the background color. So let's check what we can do with the text. Firstly, you could change the font, make it bigger or smaller, make it bold, italic or underlined, and change the color, text color, and background color. Another feature here is to add a link. For this, copy the link first, pick the words, and insert the link. Another option is to add a comment. You can do it in two ways. If you want to add a comment to a specific part of your text, pick the part of the text and click here. If you want to add the comment to the whole slide, click on the slide and click here to add a comment. Very good. Let's get back to the text. Here, I'm also missing a list. There are two ways to add a list to your text, either bulleted list or numbered list. Remember, if you click on a small L, you will see different options for your lists, like this one or this one. If you want to stick to numbered list, you could pick this one or this one. If you don't like formatting options, you could activate the text box and click here to remove formatting. Very good. Also, you have other important options in our main panel. Background is the color of your slide. You could change it here. If you don't like it, you could reset it to the theme. Layout is something we picked at the very beginning. Remember, you could change it at any point. You could pick this one or this one, but I prefer this one. Theme is something that makes your presentation user-friendly, so feel free to pick the one which you like most. If you don't need this panel, you could close it. Now I want to insert the image. As you remember, we could do it here, and you could pick the image from your computer, from Drive, from Photos. I would like to check this option and insert the image from my Drive. Very good. Slides are added, text is edited, and theme is picked. My presentation is ready. Additional features are grouped in File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, and other folders. Feel free to explore them if the main panel lacks some features you need.